Hey everyone, so finally NTA has opened up the registrations for the CSIR-NET June 2020 examination, and the information bulletin has also been uploaded. So in this video, I'll give you salient features related to the information bulletin, and let us see if there have been any significant changes that have been made which will affect us as aspirants. Unfortunately, the date of the examination has still not been released. Apparently NTA and CSIR want to surprise us, or I don't know what criteria they are following, but the examination dates have still not been released. Although the registration has started, and I have personally checked it out that it is working. So from 11 July 2022 to 10th August 2022, the portal is open and you can register yourself for the examination. If I talk about the eligibility criteria remains the same, and here they have actually clarified as well that BSc final year students are not eligible to apply. This is important because if you have been following the competitive examinations, GATE has actually allowed BSc third year students or BSc final year students to apply for the exam, but the eligibility criteria remains the same for CSIR-NET. Now, there were many talks if there was going to be an increase in the upper age limit for GRF, but unfortunately the age limit has not been changed. It still remains at 28 years as of 1st July 2021. And there has also not been any mention on the increase in the number of seats, because in 2021 the examination was only conducted once. In fact, that exam was conducted in February 2022, and even in 2020 there was only one examination that was conducted. So a lot of aspirants were expecting that they would definitely increase the seats, or at least mention that how many seats will be available, but there has not been any such details given by CSIR in the information bulletin. However, I would encourage all of you to go through the information bulletin once by yourself, because there might be some details that I might have missed out. I will give you the link to the PDF of this information bulletin down in the description box, and in case you feel that I have missed out some information, do let me know in the comment section. Also, one more thing. Last time I had not personally given the exam, but I was told that in the chemical sciences category in particular, the calculators were provided. However, in the 2021 bulletin, there was no mention. In the information bulletin, there was no mention of the calculator. So even in this bulletin, there has not been any mention of calculator. However, I have tried to clarify it from CSIR official email address. So whenever I get a response from them about the online calculator, I will definitely pin it in the comments. So as you can see, the mode of the exam remains the same, computer based exam. Duration of the exam is also the same, 180 minutes. And the pattern is also same, objective type MCQs. So there has not been any introduction of numerical type questions or multiple select questions. And the pattern also remains the same. You have 120 questions. You need to answer a maximum of 75. One good thing again that I've observed is that earlier a lot of aspirants complained that there was an English and Hindi version, like both the versions were available, which was creating a lot of issue. So now they have clarified that if someone is opting for the Hindi medium, then they will be given a bilingual paper, but candidates who are opting only the English medium, they will be shown the English version only. So that is again a relief, that if you're opting for the English version, you would not see the Hindi version in the examination. Now, the stipend remains the same, 31,000 per month for GRF category, and for SRF, once after 2 years you qualify for the SRF Senior Research Fellowship, then you will be given a stipend of 35,000. Now, this is something that I found very odd, and I don't know if this was there in previous information bulletins, but over here it clearly states that if you transmit or reproduce information particularly related to the question paper, or if you talk to any media, or if you publish any details related to the question paper, then that is considered to be a breach of law, and it will lead to cancellation of your candidature. So so please be very careful. I don't know if this was something that was previously mentioned in the information bulletin, but this time around it has been clearly mentioned. So I actually I was not aware of this information, but I just thought that I should bring it up so that at least your candidature is safe. Now, one more thing that confuses a lot of students, that whether they need to apply for GRF or they need to apply for lectureship or assistant professor. So here they have clearly mentioned that if you apply for GRF, but if you like, let's say you are not able to qualify the cutoff for GRF, but you are able to qualify the cutoff for lectureship. So generally the cutoff for lectureship is less than GRF, at least around 10 marks less. So let's say you apply for GRF, but you are able to, you're able to qualify the cutoff for lectureship, then you will be given lectureship. So if you are opting for GRF, then you're eligible for both GRF and lectureship. So don't go only for lectureship until unless you are greater than 28 years of age, then automatically you will only be considered for lectureship. So make sure that if you are under 28, you are applying for GRF, you will automatically be considered for lectureship also. And for those of you who have issues in filling the application form, the government has some service centers which might help you in facilitation. So you can definitely check it out if you have any issues with the application form itself. And there is also a query redressal system. So let's say there's some issue with the application or the payment. NT has its redressal center, a redressal system, I would say, and you can ask your query or put down your query or document your query. And this portal is open 24/7, and I hope that they would respond within a couple of days. So yeah, that is all about the examination. Like I said, if I have missed out any important details or any significant change from the June 2021 examination, please let me know down in the comment section, and I'll be happy to pin your comment. And as soon as I get a response related to the online calculator, I'll definitely again comment it down. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video very soon. Till then, take care and bye bye. Hey guys, so I'm a verified educator on Unacademy, and along with that I'm also available on the Unacademy Plus platform, where I'm taking live classes along with other educators. So in case you're interested in attending the live classes, you can subscribe to the Unacademy Plus platform using my referral code, that is SETHI, and that will give you 10% discount. Alright, and in case you're not interested in attending the live classes, you can watch the free courses that are available on the Unacademy. For that, all you need to do is go to the Unacademy website or download the Unacademy Learning app and search my name over there, that is ACT. Once you do that, you will get the access to all the free courses that are available on the Unacademy platform. Alright.